Do you
Nice.
need a knife to open the package?
No, I want to rip it open with my bare hands. Hello, I'm Justine. I'll be taking care of you today. Can I get y'all started with some drinks?
And I'm Bryce.
I'm gonna open this. No, I'm not gonna say how we acquired it because it might be illegal.
Okay.
Do we do this together?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna watch. Yeah.
I think it's a cord or a game. Maybe food.
I think it's dice. Pretty sure it's dice.
It's a cable.
You were one. That's absurd. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You have incredible ears. Oh, now what?
Thanks.
Man.
It's a 3.5 millimeter male-to-male stereo audio cable. 4 feet.
Label.
It's an aux cord.
You sure?
Positive.
I think it's called an auxiliary cord.
I don't know, but it sure looks like a fucking aux cord to me.
You're 100% right. And I am 100% a jackass.
I love my new scarf.
I feel like you're far more likely to use that to kill yourself than you are to wear it as a scarf.
My sweet God.
No, he's not here. Just me and the bubble wrap.
Tune in next week to watch us make a gingerbread train.
Oh man, I am on board. The train.
It was pretty good, actually.
Roo! That's a horn. That's my horn impression. Can I try again?
Nope.